Now, out the pack, she may have been a no, but now she ready to put on a show. You hear me? Get the looks. Get the look. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, in today's video, we'll be showing you guys how you can possibly style or revamp your new and old synthetic wigs with water and gel. Because not all wigs are created equal. Some wigs just need a little bit more help than others, okay? This video could have went left real quick, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and keep the momentum positive, keep it going. And for those of us who want to see how I do that, make sure you stay tuned. Now, if you're new to the channel or you just forgot, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, all of you guys, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go. Okay, so we saw the elephant. Okay, we saw the elephant in the room was this wig. Okay, she was not sitting like this out the pack. She was a little unruly, okay? So like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their Melted Hairline series. This is the unit Michaela. I got her in the color DR2 Creamy Toffee, and she does retail around $40 to $45 depending on where you buy her from and the color that you choose. This unit does come in specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. Now, in order to be a part of the Melted Hairline series, you must have one, a pre-plugged hairline, baby hairs, a pre-attached wide elastic band, HD transparent lace, heat resistant up to 400 degrees, 5-inch parting, sideburns, the ear contour. Like, all those little things should be checked off on the box when it comes to the wig that you get for this series. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not the wig that was in my pack, but okay, I feel like we did what we could to get her together to resemble something a little bit closer to what they are saying this wig is supposed to be. Okay, now I've already seen reviews on this unit, and pretty much everyone had the same feedback as far as things that were possibly wrong with the cap or the unit as a whole. Like, it wasn't giving the normal natural hairline like at all for this series. The hair texture wasn't the greatest out the pack. Once you started moving it, it kind of, you know, got tangled, which obviously caused a lot of shedding, so I had to get that together. The cap construction is a little wonky. However, I do know that Outre is working on a better cap for this exact unit. This wig review could have went left real quick. Okay, it could have went left. I could have just been real. But I decided to find a positive in something that may have been a negative for me. So I had to go ahead and do some work to this unit. You saw at the pack how this unit was looking. It actually was giving me a very natural type of beach wavy look. And I was like, oh, I don't want to come out the curls. I kind of want to leave it, you know, as it is. However, when I started to maneuver the hair just kind of got a little unruly. It was pretty much all over the place. I was not going to be able to just brush that out and just leave it like that. I knew I was going to have to use some products on this unit to get her together. And so initially I was going to use just my water and my curl mousse. But then I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try my gel, because I know on natural curly hair, when you put the gel in it, especially the Eco Styler gel, it kind of holds and defines the curl. So I figured it may do the same thing with water and gel in my synthetic. When I sprayed the water on this unit, it was real sleek looking. I was like, oh, okay, she doing a little something. I grabbed my Eco Styler, put a little bit in my hands, rubbed it together, and worked her on through. And y'all saw it, okay? You saw how it looked and then how it looks now. I mean, listen. Did we do it or did we do it? You hear me? We don't waste coin, okay? And a lot of you may have purchased this unit based on the stock card, based on the color choices, based on, you know, the length or whatever else, and then you get it and you may not know what to do with it. I'm here to help, sis. Get your water, get your gel. If you don't have gel, you want to use mousse, get your mousse and let her air dry, and she gonna air dry just like this, okay? Defined, super pretty. A little bit of product and a little bit of work goes a long way, y'all. I will also say the Eco Styler gel around my hairline for my baby hairs, clutch. Why was I using edge control first? I don't know, but that Eco Styler gel got these joints together and they're in place. I will say this unit is pretty snug, but I'm also wearing my wig grip, so you know, it could be that. The hair feels a lot softer now, feels a lot more manageable. Like, I'm here for it. It's not frizzy, it's not giving a bunch of flyaways. Okay, the wig just looks really pretty now. It definitely looks a lot prettier now that I got her all defined. Use your products. Use your products, y'all. My temples are pulsating. Okay, I gotta take that wig grip off. About to get a concussion. Lord. Out the pack, no Outre, but now we sitting. Okay, high five. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.